Useful advice that all affiliate marketers can use. Are you ready to get started in affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing can be a fun and easy alternative to make a lot of money from your home. This video is full of simple and useful tips that can guide you on how to build a successful affiliate site that will become a great source of income over the years. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, look for generous commission programs. You should be receiving at least 20 to 50% of the profit on each item that you sell. Your value to the company and the product that you are promoting should outweigh the desire for the company to scrape a few more pennies out of your commission. Examining an affiliate's sales conversion ratio can tell a webmaster whether or not the affiliate is worth working with. This is the percentage of visitors to the affiliate's website that become paying customers. Affiliates that cannot manage to make sales to even 1% of their visitors are not performing strongly enough to incorporate into a successful affiliate marketing network. You should build a dedicated web page for each product you are promoting through an affiliate marketing program. This page should give your visitors all the information you have available on the advertised product or service. While this need not be the sole reference you have to your affiliate, a dedicated page can tip the balance for visitors who are considering purchasing your affiliate's product. Do not waste your time on products that are only offering commissions of 5 to 10%. You can hold out for larger commissions of 20 to 50%. And with the way this type of marketing works, it's usually the better products offering the larger commissions, and better products sell a lot easier than cheaper products. Affiliate marketing is no doubt a great alternative for making money. However, as with most things in life, it takes time and patience to make a site that people are willing to visit and generate money for you. If you follow these tips in this video persistently, you will most likely succeed with your affiliate program. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.